What's up, YouTube? This is FuelOff727 back at you guys with another video. So today, there's my brother and his girlfriend. But today, we're putting the starter on the truck. So, this is the 5.7 4-wheel drive 1500 Bighorn with the 5.7, if I didn't already say that. But here's the part number for that starter. R612947A. So, I already got it in. Let me get that out of your way. I already got it in because it was not phone friendly under the truck with everything there. So, just sit back, lay down, relax, and let me take you on this ride. Alright, so there's the starter. And for the 4-wheel drive bros, this bracket right here connects to the front diff, to the engine, to the transmission. And that's going to be your main hassle, trying to get the starter in, out, and get the wires put back onto it. But if you manage to take on this task, you have two starter bolts. You got one on top and the other one sneaking right behind that bracket, right there where my finger is. Now, these are 15 millimeter socket size, and then you go ahead and take it out. And for the bottom one, had to go. I'm turning on the light with my face, but you had to go in between transmission lines through the bracket, because the bolt sits right there. So I just came from up top, angled it in, swiveled it, and me and my brother got the bottom one out because that one's a pain. So let me see if you guys can get a better view of that bolt. Yeah, right there. So couple 15s, take it out. These heat shield bolts there, and you have another one there. They both are right there, right there. Those are 10 millimeters. Undo those, take heat shield out, comes out easy. And then you got a plastic clip, you just pull off and slide it back on. And then the actual power wire, that nut back there that holds that on, that is a 13 millimeter. So pretty much, let me put this light down in a way where you guys can see. So pretty much, you get it out, you move it back, but then bring it out this way, and then you're able to get it down. And then you can go and get those wires off. And it's okay to leave them on. Just don't let them hang on there when you're trying to pull this out. So once you get it about right here, next to this cable, you can go ahead and start disconnecting your wires and such. And then it should pop out pretty easy. And then putting it back in, you want to put the back end, shove that in there first, because this power wire that hooks on the solenoid is going to get in your way with the dipstick tube. But once you do that, you slide it in, and I put in the top bolt first because it brings the starter into the transmission housing. And then you got to struggle to try and get a swivel. Swivel is a must for this. So swivel, socket, angle it in there, mess around with it, play around, tell jokes, get it in there. And then I got to hook this cable back up to that plastic clip right there. And then I already got all the wires hooked up. And then I'll take you up top to see if the starter actually works. because it had nice hairdo. Thanks. It had a intermittent start and no start issue. So it would start on random days, fine, no problems, even with a remote start. Then it could be in the afternoon of the same day it started on its own. It would just click, not start. So luckily, if you turn the key enough times and just keep working it, you will get it to start, because that's what I've been doing for almost a week with this truck. So just keep trying to turn that key, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle it on in there. But hopefully you can get it to a parts store and not have to worry about many intermittent issues, unlike me. But we got it together, we got everything hooked up. I'm going to put that cable in that plastic clip, and then it's go time. Alright, got everything together. Hop on in. Oh, give this girl a good old 1-2. Oh yeah. Anyhow, let's let that ring a little bit. Alright guys, so the last step is to reconnect your positive battery cable. You always want to disconnect that when you're messing with the starter, because that is straight voltage to that power cable to the starter. You will get shocked. Disconnect it before messing with any electronics on your vehicle. I warned you. Alright, well that's it for this video, so make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Alright, so I'm sorry for the wait on the video. I've had a bunch of stuff go on. Had a quarantine. That's all better now. Went on my honeymoon, and my old computer failed or crapped out. So I had to get a new one, and this is where I'm doing my editing and recording right now. And I have new editing software, so I'm trying to learn all that. So thank you for the people who have been patient, and for the people that haven't, I'm sorry. I'll try to do better, but we got great content coming up. I'll let you guys in on a build I'm doing. It's not car related, it's towing related. And then I have a couple more videos for the truck, but I'm doing my best, guys. It's been really busy this past month, so, and I gotta learn this editing software. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoy. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Hopefully next week I'll have a video out, but see you later.